I'm Nathan Bembo, the Engineering Design Manager, and my role is to supervise and support the design team in the preparation of quotes, the generation of shop models and shop drawings, and structural analysis and design work that we do to optimise project solutions to enhance DFMA in order to increase throughput, as well as ensure that our production team has everything that they need to manufacture accurately our products, to ensure that our clients get the best quality glue laminated timber available in the market. ASH have very stringent review and approval processes, which means that we thoroughly review all design work and documentation, as well as interrogate architectural and structural design project documentation to ensure that our MASSLAM product is in accordance with the project requirements, as well as being fit for purpose from a structural performance perspective. In addition to this, there is always the requirement to have the project team, namely the contractor, the architect and the structural engineer, formally review and approve all shop drawings. This is because this forms part of the Certificate of Compliance Design and ultimately the Certificate of Occupancy for the project.